and welcome. You're watching Donbosco Media Network. This is Rambrai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Inauguration of Brenda's Playing Garden and Early Intervention Center in Nongstoin. BSF arrests 4 Bangladeshi smuggling attempt in South Garo Hills. FKJGP raises concerns over Rambrai block office shortcomings. And government rejects change of European ward, ready for site inspection, says Deputy CM. And now the news in detail. In memory of their late daughter, El Ornella Brenda Kharlingdo, Ba FK Nongrum and Kongji Kharlingdo inaugurated a special school for children with physical and mental disabilities in Tesau Nongstoin on 13th March. The school, named Brenda's Playing Garden and Early Intervention Center, aims to support children who lack access to specialized education. The ceremony was graced by Reverend B. Ramsid along with several dignitaries including Dr. R. Marwen, dbmnHO and Ba D. Shabong, DCPO West Khasi Hills. Ba Adoni Kharlingdo, the family's son, outlined the services provided such as games, play therapy and early intervention programs for children.
Play garden hapo jona ka Shillong ka jongphe sako ngakmau yelade akapor bo tra shimno ikun jongi ikun ngkong angang ilok jonga ikun khado kini cancer patient kpa DSP tmai dei bedridden lecturer po Martin Luther Christian University let bat nga forward for A for apple, B for ball. Hikai ki khna master degree madalaj par nga bani kai khna A for apple, B for ball. Sounds so weird manong. Higher calling ka jong play. Ublay khot yangi. Hakapor po play shimnoy kun jongi ki paramoy ki rangmot babalajit and Susan tharai lakot. That's the end. Like pine os Shillong tharai kinong. Kashim pouring itang RTO. You want biang Shillong kuma pi recharge kani mobile on down battery ngiro fully recharge. Abang isa test oblay let biang tang RTO down Shillong let biang Nepal ban serve kambay oblay. Barngai ngo oblay kimi ki so jong jing sakri ko jongi. Ngim simply school haga kertem jai khoni pini tengi ko ngan kedam yang God has taken. Ikun jongi ketengi I akazia. Haga bastang akazia ga bamur ka jing sha ga dai consecrated to God. Haga si baya bikun jongi ngi browse kai ya ka kerteng isai sen. Kami mandawai ka jing mut wang God has taken. Kaba pla bala da ong bangitip bastang ginam name ya ka kerteng ya kun jing God has taken. Ngi shunim la ka God aga kaya ya ka kerteng kun God has taken yang a little missionary ngai kerteng. How try day ya ka jing mut jong mai on pers camp. Pentelun ya ki kam ka jong piao try. Commit to the Lord whatever you do. Nang tanga ko ban kentu ya I adani bekamjo I Berlin but kamjo ka family barakawai. Never give up. Kendan ki por ba pincha tan talai shedian. Kendan ki por ki ban penduk men semi ki ban the pja I kendan ki por. Kendan ki por so kenno so rong la beng tan kan ni. Yai sapram. Nganganam dan bat pi hasenda ka balang kanam dan hasenda jang pi man ka por. Ka family kanam dan bat pi 24/7 tango to tip dan shibur ki ban back up pi ka ching doi. Ublay ubala khot ya pi ban sedang ya kane udai ju ublay ban yalam pi ha do ka bakut jong jim jong pi sla jong ka portai wat ka jim jong pi kan kut hawe ka ski kane kan ya chaprang ki sadan ki ban continue ya kane ka ministry ka potrai lo kren ba la kentu ya pi ba pin sedang ngam dan shibon ban kren song tang kan ni I bau bling yalam ya pi step by step with God by faith wadam do man sem Wanam do jengkerman kendang nang lopai pi kedan ki por nama kan ka school kam dai ka basuk man sedang ya kan ka early intervention care kam dai ka basuk na tho ka dai ki point sa nganam batai start manga ngai ka syamphang ban yangi kai ka
The Border Security Force BSF in South Garo Hills district apprehended 4 Bangladeshis attempting to enter India illegally with the assistance of an Indian driver. The suspects were traveling in a Tata Winger which was seized by the BSF. Upon investigation, it was revealed that the driver, an Indian national, had smuggled the 4 Bangladeshis into India and intended to further transport them to Tura and Assam. The BSF arrested the driver and the 4 Bangladeshis, and all individuals, along with their vehicle and belongings, were handed over to the Bakmara police station for further investigation. The operation highlights ongoing efforts to curb illegal border activities in the region.
Rambrai circle hadin bangla lagi negi sisi asi gal ban inspect ya tega Rambrai sin every block tenta kasi layo wan bu kajing to kum memorandum ban kepat eu deputy commissioner kum kidu jang district ban pendiang kita gijing duna te kalong ka ega baso tenat ban ni ai play sibon eu disi jang west hill district lo ai kita ka asran ba menta ya ka Rambrai sin every block wat la kan permanent mulai lakmi lenti ba ka siterik sejrong jong benai April nomor menta kita don kinong serai tambah kidang haban ai training kita ngelayo ru bane kentu ya isar iling do I bedai I in chat sipor nam ta kan ka Rambrai sin di block ba comment scam ba kejing ayang nut jong kipaj ba bahkan urlong ban nakaliang jungi keseng ru ngimkut tang hangtan rei ngin yai budin tat haduk ban dayu I lagi jong pikmat bakate Rambrai sen dari blok kanda urlong kombo urlong lem kiwe ki blok hapo jongka district ba udisi ula ai kejingkular ba kandon ru ka sanbot nomor haduk menta ngim yu I ya ka sanbot hakate ka blok abang ilek wat la kadang dei tang ka yuai te habedei bat kijaka IDC laong belapa ban lej inspect hagi lai teli kijaka bat menta IDC imkwa ban su bisa rang ne rei lapa saga government ban jit kawai ni.
On 13th March, members of the Federation of Khasi, Jantia and Garo People, FKJGP Rambrai Circle, led by Ba Jistarlan Linkhoi, met with the District Commissioner Ba Garrett Ellis and Dykes to address concerns regarding the incomplete implementation of the Rambrai CNRD block. The FKJGP leaders had recently inspected the block office and found it lacking a BDO and staff. Following their meeting, FKJGP President expressed satisfaction that the Rambrai block office will begin functioning on 1st April, though temporarily. The DC assured that staff are in training and 3 potential sites for a permanent office have been proposed. FKJGP leaders will continue to monitor the development for the welfare of the people of Rambrai.
Rambrai circle hadin bangla lagi negi sisi asi gal ban inspect ya tega Rambrai sin every block tenta kasi layo wan bu kajing to kum memorandum ban kepat eu deputy commissioner kum kidu jang district ban pendiang kita gijing duna te kalong ka ega baso tenat ban ni ai play sibon eu DC jang west hill district lo ai kita ka asran ba menta ya ka Rambrai sin di block wat la kan permanent mulai lakmi lenti ba ka siterik sejrong jong benai April nomor menta kita don kinong serai tambah kidang haban ai training kita ngelayo ru bane kentu ya isar iling do I bedai I in chat sipor nam ta kan ka Rambrai sen di block ba comment scam ba kejing ayang nut jong kipaj ba bahkan urlong ban nakaliang jungi keseng ru ngimkut tang hangtan rei ngin yai budin tat haduk ban dayu I lagi jong pikmat bakate Rambrai sen di block kanda urlong kombo urlong lem kiwe ki block hapo jongka district ba udisi ula ai kejingkular ba kandon ru ka sanbot nomor haduk menta ngim yu I ya ka sanbot hakate ka blok abang ilek wat la kadang dei tang ka yuai te habedei bat kijaka IDC laong belapa ban lej inspect hagi lai teli kijaka bat menta IDC imkwa ban su bisa rang ne rei lapa saga government ban jit kawai ni.
Deputy Chief Minister Basnya Bhalangdhar clarified that the government has no intention of changing the European ward, as it is still in the process of preparing a master plan for the government land in Maukhanu. Dhar was responding to a question raised by Maulai MLA Brightstaruel Marbanyang during a legislative session. In addition, addressing a query by Arden Miller Basayomoy, the Deputy Chief Minister stated that the government is open to inspecting the site in question. The statement come amid ongoing discussions about land use and development in the region.
Thank you for the opportunity. Sir, we are aware that the government is developing the new secretariat with all the directorates at Sauli. My purpose of asking the question on distance is that if proper roads are made and developed from Sauli to Maukhanu, then the distance will perhaps be further reduced and not far. So my question is whether the government has thought of allotting land to district or other offices in the government land at Maukhanu, and if so, how many have approached the department so far? I would also like to know the method of assessment of land required by any office.
Mr. Speaker, sir, presently we haven't decided to allot to any department, but yes, we plan as government, and decision will be taken in the right times.
So my next supplementary is like this, sir. The land at Maukhanu is around 800 acres or so, which translate to roughly around 3 square kilometers, which is bigger than the European ward. Therefore, sir, I would like a categorical reply, yes or no, from the Honorable Minister, whether it will be converted into another European ward or RR colony in Rinja or like other revenue plots, since we have heard yesterday from the press that the KSU was referring to a transfer of land or lease to non-tribals, where the land is now protected by blue tin sheets, which I now urge the government to quickly check and withdraw any such transfer or lease of land. Another vital issue is that the Honorable Minister may kindly reply whether the Meghalaya Transfer of Land Regulation Act will apply or not, that no transfer of land by any means shall be made to a non-tribal or non-tribal entity, be it an individual or company or of any composition or by way of lease like the IAS colony at Sauli.
You're asking two questions at a time.
Mr. Speaker, sir, as of now there is no such plan because the master plan is still preparing. Only then we will take a call at the right times and the right decision. As of now, no plan to give to anybody, and no plan to convert also into European presently. That is for the respective question.
Yes.
Another supplementary question, sir. My final supplementary question, Speaker, sir, is that I urge and prevail upon the Honorable Minister that in light of the negative reply to C, and my suggestion to the government is that since the government land at Maukhanu is around 800 acres, so I would like to request
The Minister of Health and Family Welfare, Kong Amprin Lingdo, announced that the Manakre Health Subcenter has been upgraded to a primary health center, PHC, with construction works currently underway. The announcement came in response to a question raised by Dadangre MLA Rupa Marak. Amprin assured that once the construction is completed, the department will ensure appropriate staffing for the newly upgraded PHC. This upgrade aims to improve healthcare services in the region, ensuring better access to medical facilities for the local population.
Whether the department has upgraded the Mangakri sub-center into our public health center, yet the reply was yes, but still there is another reply, upgradation of Mangakri sub-center into a public health center is in progress. So I'm a bit confused in this reply. May I know the clarity of the reply?
So decisions to upgrade the sub-center to a PHC is definitely yes. Whether or not the work is in progress, we've said yes. So the works are in progress, decision has already been taken.
Thank you for the reply. I was a bit confused because I wasn't asking about the work progress and all. Anyway, may I know from the Minister in charge, when was this Mangakri sub-center was upgraded into public health center?
The foundation stone of this upgradation occurred on the 9th of December 2022. By the 18th of January 2023, we were able to float a tender. By November 2023, works began. And at January 2025, the progress of work is at 85%.
Through you, Mr. Speaker, sir, may I know from the Honorable Minister in charge, as per the government norms, does a PHC has a medical officer?
Sir, works in the upgradation are ongoing. Once the building has completed, necessary HR will be sent to man this very important PHC, sir.
May I know from the Honorable Minister in charge, in view of the reply, the last reply, since this upgradation has already been done as per the reply, so, but in view of the last reply, does it mean that Mangakri has no medical officer as of now?
As of now, the center is still functioning as a sub-center.
Last question, please.
So, I won't have the further question. I would like to request the Honorable Minister in charge to speed up the process of upgradation Mangakri Public Health Center, sub-center into PHC. Thank you.
Point noted, sir.
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.